This is how to hide photos on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. The first step is to come to your gallery. And once you're here, you have to select the photos or videos that you want to hide. So just long click on them and you can select whichever ones you want. So here I've selected these two and then I'll click on More, that's written at the bottom right. Then click on Move to Secure Folder. But the first step is to create a secure folder. So for this, click on Continue. Continue again. You'll have to give some permissions and then they'll create a secure folder. So how it will work is that all your hidden photos, you can only access them in the secure folder. After that, just set the password that you'd want. So select one of these options. And as you can see, they've been removed from here and added to the secure folder. So the same way you can do this for many more photos and videos, but let's see how to access them. So to access the secure folder, just go to the app drawer and you'll find an app called Secure Folder. If you don't find it here, you can search for it in Settings. For now, I'll click on. Then, once you enter your password, you'll see this page. And here just click on Gallery. And as you can see, the two videos which we moved here, they've come. So this is basically how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.